Today, let's explore the 6,000-pound trailer axle hub, a perfect match for trailers requiring solid performance and durability. Tailored to a 6 on 5.5 bolt pattern, this hub stands out as an ideal fit for a vast range of trailers. Here's the details that elevate our hub. It's an idler hub, delivering optimized performance for trailers on the go. Pre-installed with a 15-24-5 outer race and a 255-20 inner race, it's primed for efficiency right from the start. And for those who are vigilant about the spindle, you'd be delighted to know it's specifically tailored for a number 42 spindle, ensuring optimal compatibility. Diving into the specs, and you'd find this hub packs a punch with a capacity of a whopping 3,000 pounds per hub. And while the hub is a focal point, for those who love diving into details, it comes ungreased, allowing you to select the perfect lubrication as per your trailer's needs. Navigating the domain of additional components, we've got your back. From bearings to spindle washers, they're available and finely crafted to pair seamlessly with this 6,000-pound hub. And if you're eyeing for an all-encompassing solution, well, we have a comprehensive kit loaded with all the essential hardware. The Trailer Parts Outlet remains committed to serving your trailer needs, whether it's replacing or an upgrade. Our 6,000-pound trailer axle hub is posed to redefine your trailering experience. And with a quick browse through our online catalog, you're a few clicks away from a game-changing addition to your trailer setup. With our promise of quality products at unbeatable prices, why wait? Dive in and redefine your trailering journey with the Trailer Parts Outlet.